Man, it's too late for me to become a millionaire. I graduated from college a whole year ago and I'm still broke. Hey, why would you say that? Don't you know that I started Amazon when I was 30? Just 3 years later, I was a multi-millionaire. Yeah, well, I'm in my 40s. It's way too late for me. Oh, please. At 50, I was fired from my job in 1978, and so I founded Home Depot. And now, I'm a billionaire. Yeah, well, I'm in my 60s. I'm definitely screwed. Like how you are. I started the KFC franchise at age 65 when I was living off a $105 a month Social Security check. And then, at age 73, I sold it for $16 million. Trust me, it's never too late to start.
It's never too late to start making your first million. Affiliate disclosure. The following video is for educational purposes only. No claim or guarantee of income is offered or promised. Results may vary and are totally dependent on the viewer using the information presented. While the creator discusses making $1 million, such results are not automatic nor indicated in following the 7 steps discussed. 7 steps. Step 1, stop senseless spending. Step 2, save for retirement. Step 3, improve your tax awareness. Step 4, own your own home. Step 5, avoid luxury wheels. Step 6, believe in yourself. Step 7, don't rely on luck. Step 1, stop your senseless spending. Unfortunately, people have a habit of spending their hard-earned cash on goods and services that they don't need. Even relatively small expenses such as indulging in a gourmet coffee from a premium coffee shop every morning can really add up and decrease the amount of money you can save. Budget your treats. Larger expenses on luxury items also prevent many people from putting money into savings each month. Budget your treats and your expenses. Number 2, save for retirement. When you earn money, your first responsibility is to pay current expenses and other necessities. But once these expenses have been covered, the next step should be to fund a retirement plan. Start now, and it'll grow over time. Let's review. Number 1, no senseless spending. Number 2, save for retirement. Number 3, improve your tax awareness. Get good sound advice from an investment counselor and financial strategist. Try to become more educated as far as what types of items are deductible. You should also understand when it makes sense to move away from the standard deduction and start itemizing your return. And if you're not a numbers person or a data person, find someone who is. I'd much rather be creating video or writing content, I'll have to confess, but I married a person who does numbers well. Let's review. Number 1, no senseless spending. Number 2, save for retirement. Number 3, learn about finances and taxes. And number 4, own your own home. Renting is often not a good long-term investment because buying a home is a good way to build equity. Let's review. No senseless spending, save for retirement, learn about finances and taxes. Buying is better than renting. Number 5, avoid luxury wheels. This is really an important one. I've seen too many people that have a lousy home but a Mercedes in the driveway. Avoid those luxury wheels. Cars lose 15 to 25% of their value per year. You know, a car just is not a good one. Let's review. No senseless spending, save for retirement, learn about finances and taxes. Buying is better than renting. Avoid luxury wheels. Believe in yourself. Number 6 is vitally important. And that's why I list it now. We'll cover it in detail because all of these things lead to your attitude and your beliefs. Believe in you. Believe in yourself. It's so crucial for your success. Do you know your mindset is everything? Always keep your eyes out for other opportunities and try not to sell yourself short. Let's learn a lesson from Henry Ford. Remember what he did? He invented the first automobile. he talked about believing in yourself. And he said it so clearly. He talked about mindset and what you believe about yourself. He said the person who says I can and I can't, they are both right. What do you say about yourself? Which one are you? So much of our life is dictated by our mindset, so much of it, of how we think we shall become. I think, therefore I am. It's true. Mindset is important. When you say I will be a millionaire, what pictures come into your mind? Or better yet, I am a millionaire. Picture yourself as a millionaire. Take a moment now and say to yourself, I am a millionaire. What do you see? Picture what you are, and you will become that. Let's review. Number 1, no senseless spending. Number 2, save for retirement. Number 3, learn about finances and taxes. Number 4, buying is better than renting. Number 5, avoid luxury wheels. Number 6, believe in yourself. I cannot stress enough the importance of mindset and believing your possibilities and what you can and are. So do that. Believe in yourself. Number 7, don't rely on luck. Luck is for the lottery. Do not base your whole life and future on winning and luck. Becoming a millionaire won't happen by any luck such as winning the lottery or some other unforeseen circumstance. The only way to become a millionaire is to diligently work to do so. There's nothing wrong about trying your luck as long as you can afford it. There's something else that's vastly more important. Remember, it's not luck. It takes something else entirely.
If you're chasing money, it runs. All right. If you're making money, it's different. All right. So for people that are entrepreneurs, there's no cut in the corner. There's no magic bullet. There's no cheat sheet. It's really simple, as complex as it may sound. Hard work.
Yes, hard work wins every time. You don't have to live like a pauper to build an adequate nest egg and retire comfortably. If you start today, spend wisely and save diligently and put in the hard work. Your $1 million dreams are well within your reach. Hard work works. Here's a bonus tip I want to share with you. 7 plus this bonus tip. At least once per day, finish the sentence, today I am grateful for, fill in the blank. Gratitude sets your heart and mind into a state of readiness to receive what your heart dreams about and what you work for. Gratitude will bring you blessings. Another important, deep-seated spiritual truth. There was a man who complained because he had no shoes until he met a man who had no feet. You see, it's perspective. Be thankful in all circumstances. You don't have to be thankful for the bad stuff, but find in the bad stuff something to be thankful for. 7 steps to 1 million. Let's review. No senseless spending. Number 2, save for retirement. Number 3, learn about finances and taxes. Number 4, buying is better than renting. Number 5, avoid luxury wheels. Number 6, believe in yourself. Number 7, don't rely on luck. And a bonus, gratitude. Every single day. That'll make you a millionaire. I encourage you to like and subscribe and click the link in the pinned comments or in the description for a tool to use starting today to earn perpetual income 365 days a year. Click that link, a proven way to reach your millionaire dream. I want to thank you for watching today. Put these to use and you will succeed. Thanks again.